So, good afternoon, students. So, you can see here for what topic we are here. Yesterday, that means in my last video, I have discussed about the two extra accounts which we normally prepare while going through the partnership accounts. Clear? So, yesterday I have discussed, that means in my last video I have discussed that two extra accounts are prepared comparatively to that of sole proprietorship business. So here you will find two extra accounts is your profit and loss appropriation account, and another one will be your partner's capital or current account. Clear? Now here on the beginning of today's class we are here to discuss only about profit and loss appropriation account, because both are two different accounts. In my next class, we will discuss about the partner's capital or current account. Clear? Now see, under the head of profit and loss appropriation account, normally these terms used to consider. That is interest on drawings, interest on capital, salary or commission to the partners or to a partners, transfer of reserves, if any. If any. Clear? Now see, as we all know, profit and loss appropriation account is the extension of profit and loss account. That means normally profit and loss account follows which account? Nominal account. Debit all incomes and gains. Sorry, debit all expenses or losses, credit all incomes and gains. Okay? Now see, we have to consider here, you have to think now which item will be considered as income for the business, or which item will be treated as the loss or kind of expenses for the business. Now see, interest on drawings. Interest on drawings. Now who will provide interest on drawings and who will withdraw the money? Drawings means what? A money which is withdrawn from the firm by any person. Okay. So here now who will authorize to withdraw the money or any asset? The partner itself. Clear? They are not the outsider. Clear? They are the owner of the business. So in that case, interest on drawings. Now that means think firm is individual body and partners are separate. Okay? So the partners what they will do? The partner who will withdraw the money, they will provide interest to whom? The business, that means the partnership business concern or the firm. If you think for the partner, it's a kind of expenses. Clear? It's a kind of expenses, but for the firm, it's a kind of revenue. It's a kind of income, you can say. Clear? So, interest on drawings in profit and loss appropriation account, this will follow the credit side. Which side? Credit side of the profit and loss appropriation account. I will provide you the journal entries. There are some journal entries in this here. Clear? Next, interest on capital. Just reverse of this interest on drawings. Now who provides the capital to the business? Obviously the owner. Now who are the owner? Partners. Once the partner has provided capital to the business, okay, after some period of time, the business will pay some interest or allow some interest on the capital which had been provided by the firm, partners. Now for the firm, now you have to think, these accounts are prepared by the firm, not by the partners, remember. Okay? These accounts are prepared by whom? Firm. You have to think from the firm's point of view. From the firm's point of view, partnership firm's point of view, interest on capital, who will allow? Firm will allow to whom? The partners. Clear? For the firm, it's a kind of expenses. It's a kind of expenses. Now see, expenses means what? Again, debit side. Why debit side and credit side I am writing? Understood? Na? It follows the path of nominal account. What account? Nominal account. Debit all expenses or losses. Now see, this is a kind of, this is not a loss. This is a kind of expenses for the firm. Credit or incomes or gains. It's a kind of gain for the firm. That's why credit side. Okay. Same way, salary or commission to the partners or any partner or any single partner. Clear? Again, this salary or commission is a kind of expenses for the firm's point of view. So that's why again it will be debit side. It will follow the path of debit side. side. Clear? Next, transfer of reserves. Now you all know what is reserve. In class C10 you have got one chapter was there, provision and reserves. Yes or no? It's a kind of there means what to say? Part of the profit which had been kept in the previous period of time. Clear? Now this reserves will again needs to be distributed among whom? The partners. So distribution again it will come from the debit side. Got it? Which side? Debit side. Clear? So these are the normal items which we do not show in the profit and loss account, due to which we normally prepare the separate head called profit and loss appropriation account. In this account, these items are normally shown. Clear? I think you have understood. So today we will discuss the journal entries related to these items. Clear? Journal entries related to these items. So that's very fast. Number 1. Clear? Number 1 here. A. On allowing interest on capital, suppose. On allowing interest on capital. So what from the heading you have come to understand, means come to know about what is given on allowing interest on capital. Now who will allow interest on capital? Firm. That's why I have said from firm's point of view you have to think. So interest on capital, when they will allow, means firm will allow, it's a kind of expenses. So we normally debit the expenses. Yes or no? So interest on capital account debit. Now what we shall credit? For every debit aspect we need to credit. What we can do? To partners. Okay? To partners capital or current account. You may get confused. Sir has written two different terms, capital or current account. We will discuss later on. Because while preparing capital account or current account, two methods are there, fixed and fluctuating method. We will discuss later on thoroughly. Clear? Account. Now you have to write the narration being interest on capital allowance. It's very simple. Clear? Is it clear? It's very simple. This is the figure. Now see, once we have allowed, we have to transfer the interest on capital account. Where? Profit and loss appropriation account. Number B. On transferring interest on capital. On transferring interest on capital. That means this is the opening of interest on capital. We have to close the account. Okay, on transferring or on closure we can write. Now see, interest on capital it was debited earlier, now it shall be credited. So what will be debited? Profit and loss. Profit and loss appropriation account debit. Okay, to interest on capital account. Interest on capital account. Clear? Being interest on capital transfer to year appropriation account. Very simple. Clear? Up to this, is it clear? So see, these journal entries are very important before preparing the accounts. You all know. In class 11 also you have got before ledger. What we have done? We have gone through the various journals. Now see, as per this journal, your entries will be posted in the ledger account. Clear? That means ledger means here profit and loss appropriation account. Clear? Next, number 2. Number 2. Let it be an allowing interest on drawing system. What? Drawings. Interest on drawings. Now see, interest on drawings. Who will allow and who will receive? The partners will give the interest on drawings to whom? The firm. So it's a kind of income for the firm. Clear? It's a kind of interest, kind of income for the firm. Now again, on allowing interest on drawings. Earlier in the case of interest on capital debited, this time it will be credited. Now partners capital slash current account debited. Clear? 2. Interest on drawings account. Interest on drawing account. Okay. So here you write being interest on drawings charged. Clear? Okay. Now we will transfer the interest on drawings, or we will close the account on transferring interest on drawings. So what we shall write? Earlier it is credited, na? This time it will be comes under the debit place. So interest on drawings account debit. Here 2. Profit and loss appropriation account. Okay. Clear? So where you write the narration being interest on drawings transferred. What? Transferred. Clear? So this is the one is for opening of interest on drawings, another one is closing of interest on drawings. Same way we will follow the pattern for salary or commission, then reserves. Afterwards we will find either loss or profit after appropriation. Okay, loss or profit after appropriation. So for today it's okay. To move in my next class, again we will discuss the journal entries related to the remaining points. Okay, and we will after doing the journal entries, we will go through the account format as well as 1 or 2 examples thoroughly. You can easily understand how to prepare this profit and loss appropriation account and why to prepare. Clear? Okay, thank you. This is for you, and please go through the journal entries very clearly. Clear? Thank you.